breaking down fat and producing ketones, things start moving again. Also, the good bacteria in the intestines produce short-chain fatty acids. These help to stimulate the muscles in the intestines and promote regular bowel movements. So, even though you may not poop for the first 2 days, on the third day, things should start to move and you will relieve yourself. If you can fast for 3 days, then something really cool happens. You become a super fat burner. As I mentioned before, when you fast, the body breaks down fat for energy. This is called lipolysis. Lipolysis is the process by which the body breaks down stored fat into glycerol and free fatty acids that can be used as energy. This process is stimulated by hormones such as glucagon and adrenaline, and it occurs in the liver and adipose tissue. When the body is at rest, most of the energy is produced by the mitochondria in the cells, which use oxygen to break down glucose or fatty acids to produce ATP. However, during intense exercise or when the body is in a fasted state, the demand for energy can exceed the availability of glucose. In these situations, the body can tap into its stores of body fat and break it down through lipolysis to provide an alternative fuel source for energy production. Lipolysis is also stimulated by certain hormones, such as glucagon, which is released by the pancreas in response to low blood sugar levels, and adrenaline, which is released by the adrenal glands in response to stress. During lipolysis, the triglycerides in adipose tissue are broken down into glycerol and 3 free fatty acids. The glycerol can be used by the liver to produce glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. The free fatty acids are released into the bloodstream and transported to the muscles and other tissues, where they can be oxidized to produce energy. After about 72 hours, your body will be fully adapted to this new way of getting energy. Because of this, you can now burn fat at a much faster rate. It's estimated that you can burn anywhere from 2 to 3 pounds of fat every single day. This would mean that after 72 hours, you would lose almost 1 kilo of fat. Now, even though you might not actually lose that much fat in 72 hours, your body is definitely capable of burning fat a lot faster than when you normally eat. On day 3, the benefits of fasting don't stop there. It's been found that if you don't eat for 3 days, you will actually grow more muscle. Now, you might be thinking, how can you possibly build muscle without eating protein? Well, here's how. When you fast, the body releases something called growth hormone. Growth hormone helps to break down fat and release amino acids into the bloodstream. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. This means that even though you aren't eating protein, the body will be able to pull amino